Welcome to this easy step-by-step tutorial on how to add a map to your WordPress website without using any plugins. In this guide, I'll walk you through each part of the process so you can follow along and get your map up and running in just a few minutes. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the official WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the login option. Click on it to begin signing into your account. For convenience, select Continue with Google when prompted. This secure method allows you to log in instantly using your Google credentials. No need to create or remember another password. If multiple Google accounts appear, simply choose the one linked to your WordPress site. This step makes the login process quick, reliable, and easy to manage. After successfully signing in, you'll arrive at your WordPress dashboard. Scroll to the section labeled Quick Links and click Edit Site. This takes you directly into the editing interface where you can make visual and structural changes to your website. If you manage multiple websites under the same account, be sure to select the specific site you want to edit before continuing. Doing so ensures all updates apply to the correct project. Once you're inside the editor, look toward the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a plus icon, your main tool for adding new content blocks. Click the icon and a panel will appear showing various elements you can add to your page. In the panel search bar, type Map. WordPress will instantly filter the available options and display the map element. Click on it to insert the map block into your web page. This element allows you to display interactive maps, perfect for showing locations, store addresses, or event venues. After adding the map block, a field will appear asking for a URL. This is the link to your chosen map service, such as Google Maps. Paste your map URL into the provided box, then click Embed. WordPress will automatically load and display the interactive map within your page layout. Once everything looks right, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. This final step ensures your embedded map is securely saved and visible on your live website. And that's it. You've successfully added a fully functional map to your WordPress site. By following these simple steps, you can make your website more interactive, informative, and user-friendly without needing any extra plugins. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the added functionality your new map brings to your online presence.